Are you tired of feeling sluggish between meals or reaching for unhealthy snacks out of convenience? What if I told you that changing just 5 simple snacks could completely transform your energy levels and keep those cravings in check? Welcome to today's video from Natural Remedies, where I'll share how 5 organic snacks changed my snacking routine for good. Snack number 1. Organic almonds. These nutrient-packed powerhouses are a lifesaver for quick energy boosts. Almonds are rich in healthy fats, fibre and protein which keep you feeling full longer. Just a handful can tide you over without the need for sugary processed snacks. Plus, they're a heart-healthy option that's easy to carry on the go. Snack number 2, raw veggies with hummus. Organic carrots, cucumbers, bell peppers and many more. Pairing these fresh organic veggies with a protein-rich dip like hummus provides a satisfying crunch and creamy texture. It's perfect for a mid-afternoon snack that's both refreshing and nutritious without all the empty calories. Snack number 3, organic apple slices with almond butter. This classic combination is a game changer. Organic apples are loaded with fibre and antioxidants, while almond butter adds healthy fats and protein. Together, they create a sweet and savoury treat that keeps you energized and satisfied without the sugar crash. Snack number 4, chia seed pudding. Packed with omega-3s, fibre and protein, chia seed pudding is a fantastic make-ahead snack that fits into any routine. Just mix chia seeds with your favourite organic plant-based milk, let it sit overnight, and you've got a creamy, nutrient-rich snack ready for whenever hunger strikes. Snack number 5, organic dark chocolate with nuts. Craving something sweet? Organic dark chocolate paired with nuts like cashews or walnuts is the perfect guilt-free indulgence. Dark chocolate is rich in antioxidants and minerals, while the nuts provide protein and healthy fats to balance the sweetness. It satisfies your sweet tooth while keeping things healthy. Incorporating these 5 organic snacks into my daily routine has truly been a game changer. I no longer reach for processed, sugary options when hunger hits. Instead, I feel more energized, focused and satisfied throughout the day. It takes a little bit of prep on your part, so if you're ready to level up your snacking routine, give these a try. Your body and your taste buds will thank you. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more tips on living a healthier, happier life. See you next time.